Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all of you. Shawtee, Devi. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. It really helps me a lot. Don't forget to check out my website, paradoxastrology.com. Book your consultation today. I can help you with anything. If you like more exclusive occult videos, please consider subscribing to my Patreon or YouTube members. It really helps to support this channel. Okay, just a quick video about Canada. So we have so many planets right now in Canada's 10th house, which is its reputation in society, which is changing now drastically as is seen on the world stage and within the government, also all around the world. These are those in authoritative positions, especially because we have the new moon in Uttara Ashadha on the 18th of January. Now, some people in higher positions will be having to back down from these positions, or some can be taking higher positions. On January 21st, there will be an explosive event for the country and its identity, which will affect the stock market, entertainment, the sports, the mentality of the leader. Official occasion of the government. This is a transformation, death, and rebirth of shared resources like social security, taxes, but also can be a weather, disaster, or a risk through war is possible. War is also possible because all the planets are aspecting the 4th house of the homeland. And it's also the 3rd house lord of neighboring countries, trade, and transport. Saturn is in the 12th house right now, which is showing endings and losses for the government and its reputation. Rahu is currently conjunct natal Jupiter and bringing unexpected losses in the areas of alliances and groups and members of government, which can be in the parliament. This can also go into a different direction when it comes to foreign affairs. This will be highlighted during the eclipse on September 17th when Ketu will conjunct natal Mars and transiting Mercury will conjunct natal Rahu. This can activate the houses of war in neighboring countries, again creating a conflict in its alliances and groups. Canada can become very explosive and very angry at this time. Violent attacks in the crowd or in public can happen. Protests, strikes, and those wanting to separate its identity through a transformation. Now, it's also going to affect, at that time, the parliament, major changes here, provinces as well, the department of the government, ambassadors of the government, the deputy prime minister, the advisors to Canada, the supporters, its alliances and groups, and gains from other countries. There'll be a massive event that will occur that will affect all of these. So that's just a little bit about what I see. If you're interested, I'll make more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one.